Hello and welcome to the Roderick Profits channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today is day 6 of documenting one of my hustles, trading the forex pair Euro USD with my live funded accounts. I will be trading in the Asian session. Let's get started with the Friday trade. I opened this trade at about 2:24 a.m. We don't sleep here, guys. We have to get that money. I opened for a buy position at 1.17731, put a stop loss at 1.17781, and take profit at 1.17681. The risk to reward ratio today is 1:1. A quick trade. Great, today we started in the profit zone. We hope it will go that way. So far so good. We continue to march towards take profit. Those big red candles took us to the former lower low. It should continue and form new lower lows. Stopping at our former lower low, the price should not reverse, keep going in our downward direction. Awesome, we have slightly broken the lower low, and we are about to continue towards the take profit, guys. Just patiently waiting for take profit. We will hit take profit, guys. We will make this money. We have hit take profit, guys, but what is wrong with the spread? The trade should have closed. Let's wait and see. Our trade on my MetaTrader account has already closed. I will show it later. I wonder what happened with the spread. We are still waiting. It's so close to take profit again. It's gone past it again. This is very weird, man. Okay, I get it. We were hitting midnight in coordinated universal time, so market spreads changed. Alright, the trade hit our take profit at 3 a.m. Due to the spread, it hit earlier and we got $124 instead of $200. That spread messed it. How boring. We got $124 on this account, and with my MetaTrader account I got $188. Spread also reduced this one. In total that's $308 or about 39,732 Kenya shillings. Some money as we continue this good month. I'm grateful for this sessions. We make money only in the markets. I will have no courses, no signal groups, and no bots to sell to you. We will be having giveaways at one point in the future, so stay tuned. If you are really eager to invest, you can send an email to the email address shown on the screen or DM me on Instagram also shown on the screen, and we can see how to sort you out. Thank you for watching so far. Have a wonderful weekend. If you enjoyed this video, you will enjoy day 5 by clicking the video to the left of the screen. Please subscribe, leave a like and awesome comment to support happiness and success until we meet in the next video.